Let's face it, most of us don't think about our back and spine health until something goes wrong. But with a great chiropractor, you can prevent the pain before it sets in. These days, preventative care is so important, and with so many choices, finding the right chiropractor can be challenging. Today, we're catching up with a leading chiropractic back and spine care expert to give you some helpful tips about finding the right professional to help.
A question that I'm often asked is, how do I find a good chiropractic doctor? With so many chiropractors to choose from, finding the right one for your specific needs is not always easy. I'd like to give people a few tips on how to find a good chiropractor. We often see people that are frustrated with previous treatment. They feel they may have received unnecessary services or even an inaccurate diagnosis. The first tip I'd like to offer is, does your chiropractor really listen to you? Does he take the time to discuss your symptoms and discuss previous treatments that you may have already had to pinpoint your issues? Tip number 2, do they have an up-to-date office, equipment, and technology? Look for things such as digital x-ray for accurate diagnosis, which enables the doctor to truly see the problem. Do they offer physiotherapy to enhance the treatment and improve results? Tip number 3 is be cautious of doctors who require advanced payment of services. A good quality doctor will only recommend services to you as you need them. And next, what is their experience and education? There are things you don't learn in school which only years of experience and training can teach. Also, do the doctors belong to any national or state organizations, such as the American or the Georgia Chiropractic Association? Our expertise here at Anthony Chiropractic is to make a proper diagnosis and recommend the proper treatment, whether it's here in our office or referring you to another type of doctor. After 37 years of practicing chiropractic here in Athens, Georgia, we know the best doctors in town. We offer a no-charge consultation to any prospective new patients who have questions about their health. For those that would like to learn more, they can visit us here at our website at www.anthonychiropractic.com or call us 706-543-5901.
Wow, that's pretty incredible, isn't it? The best chiropractor will have you taking the right steps in no time. Would you like more information? Today's expert can be reached at the number on your screen. Thanks for watching.